Alright, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their solar-powered mole repellent screw 4-pack. So, as you can see, this is solar-powered, it just screws right into the ground, and it's waterproofed, and there's no sound that the human's gonna hear, just the moles would hear it. So, a little bit about the 3 working modes here on the side, as well as the specifications of the device. Here's, step 1, step 2, screw into the ground and press the on button, and that's how many feet it covers, 5,000 square foot per year. A little information here as well on the side of the box. So let's open this up, and wow, they're a little smaller than I thought. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then instruction guide. And that's it for the box besides that paper. So this just kind of gives you a little rundown of some of the information that was on the side of the box, as well as where the on and off button is. You literally just screw these into the ground, turn them on, and the sun does the rest of the work. So very nice feel. Don't feel like they'll break. But this is your on and off button, literally on and off. This is a solar panel that keeps it charged to where it'll repel the rodents for you. So that'll essentially do it for this rodent repeller 4-pack. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me to unbox. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.